morning, everyone. Today is August 13, the World Organ Donation Day. This day provides a great importance in everyone's life to come ahead and pledge to donate their precious organ. Donating an organ is like gifting a life to someone. One organ donor can save up to 8 lives. We can donate organs like heart, lungs, kidney, liver, tendons, ligaments, and even skin. In fact, HIV positive patients can also donate their organs to HIV patients only. Thus, this has not only become a help but also a great asset to medical research. So, this year is to motivate normal human beings to donate their organs as well as to understand importance of organ donation in the life of an individual. And we the students of BSc Nursing 2K18 batch of Chalmeda Anandarao Institute of Medical Science are here to present a small video regarding the importance of organ donation. So let's have a look on that.
Good morning to all, respected principal madam, teachers and my dear friends. Today I am going to say a few words on the topic lung transplantation. First we have seen the definition of lung transplantation. Lung transplantation or pulmonary transplantation is a surgical procedure in which a patient's deceased lungs come from a donor. Donor lungs can be retrieved from a living donor or a deceased donor. A living donor can donate only one lung block. The first human lung transplantation was performed on June 11, 1963 at the University Hospital, Jackson, Mississippi by James D. Hardy and his team. Time duration for the single lung transplantation take from 6 to 8 hours and a double lung transplantation take from 8 to 12 hours. Thank you.
I am going to explain about the kidney transplantation. Kidney transplantation is the transplantation of the kidney from the healthy donor to a receiver who has the problems like renal failure, chronic kidney diseases and polycystic kidney diseases. And the donor must be healthy mentally and physically. The tests are done before the surgery and surgery duration is 2 to 3 hours and kidney is viable up to the 24 to 36 hours in the cold storage. Donate the organ, save the life. Thank you.
On the occasion of the Organ Donation Day, I would like to share about heart transplantation. A heart transplantation is a replacement of the person's diseased or damaged heart from the donor's healthy heart. First heart transplantation was done in the year of the 1967. Here are some conditions for the heart transplantations, that they are cardiomyopathy, congenital heart diseases, coronary artery diseases, heart valve diseases, arrhythmias, etc. After taking the heart from the donor, it can be stored for 6 hours and the heart transplantation was done within the 4 to 6 hours.
I am here to say a few words about eye donation. Eye donation is an act of donating one's eye after his or her death. Only cornea blinds can be benefited through this process, not other blinds. It is an act of charity purely for the benefit of the society and is totally voluntary. Eyes from a dead person can enable 2 blind people to acquire vision. Eyes are removed within 6 hours after death and it is so important to be get in touch with a nearby eye bank and at the earliest. The donor's family receives an appreciation certificate from the eye bank. Tests are carried out and the tissue is sent to the corneal surgeon for surgery. Thank you.
I am here to explain about the pancreas transplantation. The most pancreas transplantation are done to treat type 1 diabetes. The eligible criteria for the pancreas transplantation includes the age of the donor should be 18 to 55 years old. The body mass index should be less than 32. The healthy pancreas is taken from the donor who is brain dead and the healthy pancreas should be matched to the who is receiving it. And the contraindications of pancreas transplantation including metastatic cancer and untreated systematic infections. And mainly the India who provide pancreas transplantation mainly include PGI in Chandigarh and Apollo Institution in Chennai.
Today I am going to tell about liver transplantation. The liver transplantation means the transplantation of liver from the healthy person to the other person who has the damage of liver. We can see some indications and contraindications of liver transplantation. Indications of liver transplantation: acute hepatic fulminant failure, extrahepatic biliary atresia or hypoplasia, hepatic vein thrombosis, and hepatocellular carcinoma. Contraindications of liver transplantation: it includes severe cardiovascular and pulmonary diseases, and active drug or alcohol abuse, and malignancy outside the liver, sepsis, and psychosocial problems. Liver transplantation must be done from the healthy person to the person who is having the damage of liver, must be done between 8 to 12 hours after the death of the healthy person.
I am here to talk about donor criteria. For organ donation, a specific donor criteria is there. First one is age limit. Any individual within an age limit of 18 to 80 years can donate their organs. Then the health status. Any individuals with poor health status can also donate their organs, but the only condition to be followed is that the vital organ they are willing to donate must be in a good healthy condition. But some factors are there which will disqualify an individual from being a donor. They have actively spreading cancer, HIV infection, or any other severe infection.
Is considering the matching of the donor and recipient at first round blood typing. The donor of O can give to A, B, AB and O patients. The donor of A can give to A and AB patients. The donor of B can give to AB and B patients. Then body size. We always try to donate a organ from a child to a child recipient or an adult to an adult recipient. Then tissue typing. Human leukocyte antigen typing is used to match the donor and recipient for transplantations. Then distance. Distance is not a criteria for organ transplant, but as soon as possible we should reach the hospital. Then time and length of the waiting list. If you want to donate a organ, we should visit a transplant hospital and the doctors will check our physical status and add it to the national list. Then how sick the patient is. We should always check the physical status of the patient at regular intervals.
I am going to tell about the organizations of organ donation. First one, state government Jeevan Dan Cadaver Transplantation Program in Hyderabad. What is meant by cadaver transplantation? The process of transplanting of organs from the brain dead people is known as cadaver transplantation. It helps so much human scheme in taking by the organs from the brain dead people. Second one, Central Government National Organ and Tissue Transplantation Organization Program. The important aim of NATO is National Organ and Tissue Transplant Organization. National Network Division of the NATO would function as Apex Center for all the India activities of coordination and networking for procurement and distribution of organs and tissues and registry of organs and tissues and donation and transplantation in country. Thank you.
Good morning everybody, I am Niharika of 2K18 batch. Organ donation. Coming to the definition. Organ donation is a process of removing an organ from one person and surgically another person. These are the organs which can be donated. Lungs. Coming to the lungs 4 to 6 hours and the liver 6 to 10 hours and the heart 4 to 6 hours, bone 12 hours, kidney 24 to 48 hours, pancreas 24 hours, skin 24 hours after the death and ligaments 24 hours after the death and cornea 6 hours after the death and coming to small intestine and the large intestine 24 hours after the death. This is the process of organ donation. First, donor recipient diagnosis, family permission, medical evaluation, matching must be done compulsory and surgical removing, transport and transplant. Donor criteria. Donor must be healthy, he should not have any genetic problems and he should have a age from 20 to 60 years and he should go for medical checkup before he is going to donate an organ. Coming to the recipient category, and he should have a suitable donor of a recipient. Less hypersensitivity. Thank you.
ఆర్గన్ డొనేషన్ అంటే ఏంటి? ఆర్గన్ డొనేషన్ అంటే మన అవయవాన్ని ఇంకొకరికి ఇచ్చి వాళ్ళ ప్రాణాన్ని కాపాడాలి. సరే, ఎందుకు చేయాలి అవయవాన్ని? ఎవరైతే స్టేబుల్ లేకుంటే వాళ్ళకు డొనేట్ చేస్తే వాళ్ళ ప్రాణాలు కాపాడాలి. అంటే ఒక్కరి ప్రాణం 8 మందిని కాపాడచ్చు. ఎన్ని అవయవాలు దానం చేయొచ్చు? లంగ్స్, హార్ట్, కిడ్నీ, లివర్, ప్యాంక్రియాస్. అదేవిధంగా టిష్యూ డొనేషన్ కూడా చేయొచ్చు. కార్నియా, స్కిన్, బోన్ మ్యారో, హార్ట్ పల్స్, మిరీ, ఇయర్. 10 dots. అవయవదానం చేద్దాం,
మరొక జీవితానికి
సహాయం
సహాయం చేద్దాం.
Donors from all ethnicities and communities. The gender of the donor and recipients are involving in the entire process of transplant surgery and organ donation. In general, women seem to have more self-sacrifice and sense of responsibility than men. As a consequence, it is observed that women are more predisposed to donate their organs. Blood and tissue types need to match for a transplant to be successful, and organs from donor of the same ethnic background as the recipient are more likely to be close match. Without any discrimination of race, gender, income, social status, we should be ready to donate our organs and save the lives of others.
Organ donation by living donors clearly saves a life. It also improves the transplantation outcomes under some circumstances and reduces the time of waiting to receive. Donation is giving of organ or tissue that helps someone. Be a symbol of hope for those who are waiting. Be an organ donor, all its cost will be low. You do not have to become a doctor to save a life. You can save life by donating organs. Donate organ, give a life.